So this is I won't call it our permanent site because there is tendency for improvements. Tomorrow, I believe that we're going to need a bigger space tomorrow, but for now, this is where we are. You know, this land is massive. Like, there's so much I'm going to be doing here. So this is where we are going to build our academy hall. For those of you who are who have been talking about having a physical class, you all know I don't offer physical class for the smaller, for people, for the local business. I only offer physical classes for VIPs. That is the class of March and September, which is $1,500. And I also offer one-on-one classes, which is $3,000. That is where you choose the date that you want me to teach you, and you come here, stay with me for 3 days, and I teach you how to export, how to run this business and export it. However, I've decided to build an academy somewhere around here. So I'm going to have an office complex academy where we will teach people this business. So we'll have people come here to learn the business while the production is going on down there. So we're going to build an academy around here. Okay, so for those of you who have always wanted to meet me and learn this business from me, I'm going to have an academy before the end of the year. I'm looking for an architect to draw the building plan. It will have an office complex and also have a place where I teach people. So you guys will come here and learn recycling business. I'll teach you carton recycling, plastic waste recycling, every other waste material that you can recycle, right? It's not going to be free. So this is the main factory here, right? This is where all our productions will happen. And this is where we're going to start exporting. Like I said, I've made, in my previous video, I've talked about the mistakes I made. One of them was power. But here, I have access to constant power. As you can see, those poles were mounted for bringing power there. We have built a transformer house over there, and this whole property is ours, right? So we have more space now. This is the washing line. This is what we have here does about $1,000 per day. That is the capacity of this machine. $1,500 per day if we are working. But we've not, like I said, we've not exported since last year. I shut down the plant and then bought this place, started building this place, right? As you can see, we've not been able to complete it. Of course, now money now, small, we do it small, because money they come in like before. But then we are working, so there is hope. So when we start working, so this is the storage area, right? All the way to that pole. This is the storage area where all the materials we bring in. Here we'll pelletize nylon. We will also produce nylon. We'll produce everything here. We might even produce gallons here, right? So this is the future. So this is a temporary factory where we'll be working, and then the space we have in front, we'll build a bigger factory there, and then we'll put bigger machines. This line, we'll put a pelletizing line that will recycle nylons and recycle sacks, and also grind tires, right? And the baling machine that will compress aluminum cans. So yes, we are a work in progress. We are making every effort. Let me show you guys. This is the space where all our trucks will park. We also build a new factory here. Borehole has been installed, right? Borehole is ready. The poles has been installed. The wires are coming up, right? The wires are coming up.